It's a very simple thing. It's been 100 days that internet has been snapped in Kashmir, and it has really hampered journalism for all reporters. As you all know, you're also practicing photojournalists and video journalists. It's a hassle. It almost amounts to, it actually amounts to taking away basic tools of journalism in a day and age like this. And we demand that the services be restored. We're not demanding a freebie. We're not demanding that internet services be provided free to anyone. We're just demanding this very basic fundamental tool of journalism be restored because we're paying for it.
काम कितना मुतासिर हुआ है?
Very significantly. You all know it yourself. It is choking journalism here. We're not able to communicate with sources. We're not able to freely exchange information. We're not able to freely gather information. It's not possible to be physically present everywhere, and that's precisely what communication technologies are here to help journalism. And that's been taken away, and that's what precisely the demand is. Please restore the internet services that we're paying for. Like I said, we're not demanding any freebies, and the media facilitation center that's been created with 10 odd internet-enabled workstations is not a solution. It's almost humiliating walking in there every time you have to punch in your name, your details, your time, and you're not able to use internet enough. Internet is not only useful for communicating what you have to report, you also have to read a lot of stuff. You also have to inform your context, because if you don't read what is happening elsewhere, what's being reported by others, you're not able to do proper journalism. And it amounts to choking journalism, you know, snapping internet services like it has been for the last 100 days.
It has been now 100 days, you know, and
Journalists are struggling. I mean, you are used to internet services 24/7 on your mobile phones, on your computers, and now you have to wait in a queue and punch in your details, and you get hardly a few minutes of internet usage. You don't get enough time to read stuff. You don't get enough time to communicate with your sources. You don't get enough time to gather information. It's not possible for every journalist all the time to be physically present everywhere, wherever there are news developments or the context where they are developing. So it's a very important tool, as all of you know. I mean, videographers and photojournalists know it better than print journalists, perhaps. And it's a very simple, polite demand. It's a paid service. It's almost become a fundamental right everywhere else in the world. And here, it's now 100 days. It's been snapped. You all know how it has choked our activities as journalists.